When I was in my 30s, I was a practicing chiropractor, and I was helping people get better primarily from automobile accidents. And I saw that although may be able to help them to a point, they still had a lot of other issues that were going on, which was impacting their lives. And so I thought to myself, if I became an attorney and was able to provide solid representation, that we would be able to help them in a more complete way. When my son graduated law school, he came into practice with me. I like it because we're a family-run office as opposed to a very large firm where perhaps clients are just a number. You get personal attention here, and we try to treat everyone like their family.
I was driving down Morris Hill, and I was hit really hard by another driver, and I had my 2-year-old granddaughter in the car, and I was just devastated. I was scared. I was nervous. I realized right off that I was starting to have issues almost immediately after the accident. I knew that I needed somebody who was going to represent me and make sure that if anything occurred, I was going to be taken care of appropriately. I came in, I spoke to Michael Lonati. Immediately, he made me feel very comfortable. Explained to him the situation, that I was in a car accident. He told me not to worry. You know, I've never met anybody that made me feel that comfortable immediately. I've already recommended someone to them. I love Michael. I love his team. They truly care about you. They truly want to make sure that you're taken care of.
I was in a T-bone style collision where somebody pulled out in front of me. I was running 60 miles an hour and I hit that SUV square on. Suffered 3 disc herniations in my neck, 2 disc herniations in my low back, multiple sprained and pulled muscles, which gave me loss of strength. I'm a local chiropractor, so for me to perform my duties and pull people around the table and do what I need to do for my patients, it was a hindrance. So after retaining the Lonati Law Firm following the car wreck, they basically took the pressure off of me. I no longer had to make phone calls. Anytime a phone call was made to me, I was able to just defer it to my attorney. So I was able to get back to my practice and my patients that needed my assistance and my attention. There's a difference in attorneys who are willing to fight and go to trial for you and attorneys that just want to turn cases over. The Lonati Law Firm is willing to go to trial and fight for you. They're not going to request you take something less than so they can move forward.
The importance behind hiring the right injury firm really comes down to what are the results that you're going to get. Are you going to get an attorney who is just looking to churn your case and settle as soon as possible, at which point you're not going to maximize the value of your case? Or are you looking for an attorney who's going to try your case, but really you have no emotional connection with them, so you can't really relate and communicate? Here at Lonati Law Firm, one of the big things that we try doing is be personal with our clients. Actually get to know them. They're not just another number. Dealing with an injury case has a lot of unknown variables and factors that you don't know. Allow someone else to take that off your plate who actually knows those things and therefore can get you what you deserve.
We understand the severity and impact a personal injury can have on your life. Let us help you. Lonati Law Firm.